Let me show you one corner of our factory. You can start from this tipper truck, 6x4 single truck oval. And this is new tires, so that is a basic operation. All the tires must be new, the rim must be new, refurbished. New air reservoir, new battery, that is a must thing. And this is a 6x4 tipper. Looks like this. The appearance of the trucks we refurbished, A-grade refurbished, which is a basic one. And this corner, you can see most of these trucks are almost done, almost finished, ready for shipping. And we also have a truck-mounted crane. That 2 units, a truck-mounted crane, they are ready, waiting for ship now. And concrete mixer tank. These are concrete mixer tanks. Okay, and you can see the logo also already painted there. All these trucks are ready. And let me show you the used truck stock that make us different from the others, because we always stock plenty of the used truck before the refurbishment. This one refurbished already. And if you check the trucks behind it, there's a piles of used truck there, shoulder by shoulder. And they are all made in 2018 to 2022. Very good quality already. And you can check the appearance. There's no crack, no accident. They are very good quality, just a little dirty. And we always take the good trucks, because that can save a lot of time when we refurbish for our customer. You can see it's a 380 horsepower because they are Euro 4 or Euro 5. Of course, we will change to 371 horsepower before we refurbish it. And let's go deeper. You will see there are around 80 to 100 units in this corner. Let's go deeper. And there are more in another place. I will show you later. Okay, this is the end of our stock. This is the end of the stock yard for this side. Let's go back, and you can check all the chassis are in a very good condition. And if you clean it, you can even see the original paint. This is a tipper, tractor. This place for tractor. Mainly we stock tractors here. There are around almost 100 units here. If you have a big quantity order, like 50 unit, 70 unit, we can handle it very soon. No need to go outside to purchase and in a rush. We have already stocked a lot of